Okay, we're back. We have 1 minute left. You can sort of see the one. A little less than 1 minute left before the timer goes off. And the directions say we're supposed to do a quick release. I've never cooked pasta. It's my understanding it can sort of like foam up a little bit, so I'm not sure what's going to happen when we do the quick release. So let's should beep here any minute, and we'll try to release the pressure and see what we get. Wow, there we go. All right, it's beeping, it's done. So quick release the pressure. Push it up. There we go. It's doing its thing. It's not foaming up, it's not bubbling out. So we're doing all right. Might take a little bit. Smells good. From reading, if it would have been trying to foam out the top here, you would have laid a dishcloth or something over it to sort of stop it from spritzing out everywhere. Should be done soon. It sounds like it's not hissing as bad. I like taco flavored food, but I do not like beans. So I thought this would be a good recipe. I make sure that the pressure is all released. I don't want to get burned when you open the lid and if you still have pressure in there. I don't think that'd be really good. Okay, it's done hissing. Sounds like we're safe. Well, if you look at the timer, if you can see there, it says it took, that's how much time has passed since the pressure cooker was finished. So it took 2 minutes for the pressure to release. Okay, let's open it up and see what's in here. Sorry about that. Well, looks pretty good. I mean, how bad could it look? It's just pasta. I tell you, I would double this recipe because it's not a lot in there, to be honest with you. Okay. So you're supposed to put 1.5 cups of cheese in here and let it melt on top. So I have cheddar cheese because that's what we like on our tacos. There we go. I have a lid. It doesn't really, it's not to the Instant Pot, but it sits on there, so that'll work. Okay, and in the meantime, I am going to, while the cheese melts, I'm going to cut up an avocado because I like avocado. And if you've never cut up an avocado before, diced up an avocado, I can hopefully show you how it's done. I'm not the best person at this. I used to hate these. About a year ago, I really started liking the taste of avocados. So you just hold it down, you're cutting the whole way around. There's a big seed in the middle of the pit. So we cut the whole way around. Give it a twist. The side that has the pit in it, You should probably lay this down so that you don't cut your hand. But you use your knife to dig into the pit, twist it to the side. Pit comes right out. The pit is slippery, so use a paper towel to pull it off your knife. There's the avocado pit. And then, if you want diced avocado, just take like a table knife, something that's not sharp, because the avocado is real buttery if it's ripe, and smooth and soft. And just cut down through here. You're just making little lines. Turn it the other way. I make lines. Take a spoon and just go down between the avocado and the outside of it and just scoop it out. Ta-da! And we have diced avocado. Right, let's see if our cheese is melted or yet or not. Pull this forward. Most of it's melted. I sort of have it on a little thick here. Let's plate some up and we'll see what it's like. It looks good. I'm going to put a little dollop of sour cream on there. And some diced avocado. That's my weakness. I'm going to try to get a little sour cream there on my fork. It is good. The pasta's tender, so it is. That avocado is nice and cool. It tastes really good. Probably, if you like a little bit more spicier meal, I would maybe drizzle it with a little bit of taco sauce, like a medium or a hot taco sauce, to give it a little bit more oomph. But I would say the recipe's a keeper. I'll have to have hubby come out and try it and see if he likes it, but I like it. All right, thanks. Bye.